Daithor moniram Langneh Auditorium holalong HSLC lapen HS ke pasatom aphan felicitation program mati karcho azamek kidengpon. Rok Dorbaguri MEC constituency angkang Daithor moniram Langneh Auditorium holalong HSLC lapen HS ke pasatom aphan felicitation program mati karcho azamek ke pamanpon. Dorbaguri KSU head branch atumpensi labangso felicitation program kidengpon. Dorbaguri KSU head branch president Sarkuru Terangpen Maika Charipon Mailong KSU advisor Amoron Terangpen si aluhi pachinipon. Lapen chief guest Dorbaguri VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongpar invitation guest BLCC chairman Sonjoy Teron Dorbaguri BJP Mondol Committee president Sunaram Singnar Daithor police station assistant OC Kulenjit Bora Government Mondol College Daithor assistant professor and reserve Barite Lekthe Dorbaguri Karbi Rongasar President Divinson Terang SBG Rongasar Rongbong Khat KSA President Secretary Arlong Chuhu KSA President Secretary Daithor High School Higher Secondary School Harlong B Velong B College Daithor Langkhang Wong High School Daithor Government Mondol College Teacher Lecturer Penchenglok Penan Dorbaguri Kithekiding atum Chitongdon Nilabangso felicitation program along HSLC lapen HS kepasatom pangrumpet pen bang parotroksi atom aphan archopon lapen kedeng azaimek kepaman pon pen ke kalpatro numaligar higher secondary student William Rong Parke for subject letter chepalong donajok alang liphanta karbi pohopen archopon lapen assistant professor reserve person Barite Lekthe kosonsi kolesalong locher liponang jimapu penanalam the thanpon lapen ke Dorbaguri VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongpar pen ke thanpon HSLC lapen HS ke pasle kapor hekang ton kali laan sose angsong an kepali dunjia phanta bor iponang jilang puta thanpon Dolamara pen Babu Terang report North East Hill Today.